alphabets and colors. Red color. A for aeroplane. Orange color. B. B for burger. Yellow color. C. C for car. Green color. D. D for dolphin. Blue color. E. E for eagle. Purple color. F. F is for fruits. Pink color. G. G is for God. Brown color. H. H is for hand. Black color. I is for igloo. Red color. J. J is for juice. Orange color. K. K for kite. Yellow color. L. L is for leaf. Green color. M. M is for mop. Blue color. N. N is for nuts. Purple color. O. O is for ox. color. P. P is for pencil. Brown color. Q. Q is for queen. Black color. R. R is for rabbit. Red color. S. S is for sun. Orange color. T. T is for train. Yellow color. U. U is for urn. Green color. V. V is for vulture. Blue color. W. W is for water. Purple color. X. X is for Xmas tree. Pink color. Y. Y is for yarn. Brown color. Z. Z is for zigzag. Numbers 1, 2, 10. Hello. I am 0. Will you find my color? Where is my color? Where? It's behind me. Oh, yeah, it's behind me. Red. Red color. Salam. I am 1. I'm colorless. Will you find my color? Where is? Orange color. Salam. I am 2. I lost my color. Will you help me for finding my color? Yellow color. Salam. I am 3. Please help me to get my missing color. Where is my color? Yay! It's purple color. Salam. I am number 4. I lost my beautiful color. Can you see my color? Where is? Yay! It's blue color. Salam. I am number 5. Did you know I lost my color? Have you seen my color anywhere? Yay! Green color. Salam. I'm number 6. I also lost my color. Where is my color? Please help me to find my color. Yay! Pink color. Salam. I'm number 7. Do you know where my color is? Where is? Oh yeah, this is here. My color is brown. Salam, I am number 8. Will you find my color? Where is? Where is? Oh yeah, this is my color. Black color. Salam, I'm number 9. I lost my color too. Have you seen my color anywhere? Where is? Yay! White color. Salam, I am number 10. Will you help me find my color? Where is my color? It's behind me. Yay! Gray color. Shapes. Salam. I am a circle. I have no sides and no corners. I am round shaped, just like a wheel. My name is Circle. Circle. Whee! Salam. I am a triangle. I have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3, and also 3 corners. I am calling triangle. Triangle. Salam. I am a rectangle. I have 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have 4 sides, 2 equal long and 2 short. I am a rectangle. I am not a square. I am a rectangle. Rectangle. Salam. I am an oval. I have no sides and no corners. I'm not a round shape just like circle. I am oval like a curve. I have an egg shape, so I called oval. Oval. Salam. I am rhombus shape. I have 4 equal sides, just like a square, but my sides are vertical. I have 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. I have 4 sides and 4 corners, but they are vertical. My examples are kite and diamond. Rhombus like a kite. Rhombus shape. Salam. I am a square. I have 4 sides and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and 4 corners. I am not a rectangle. I am a square. I am just like a box. Square. Square. Triangle. Circle. Rectangle. Rhombus. House. Rectangle. Oval. Tree. Oval. Rhombus. Triangle. Triangle. Curve. Circle. Sunny June. Subscribe to watch more videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.